I can take this opportunity to give some words on why I do all of this here. The main reason is because I want to have airplanes. No one would make them for me unless I spent big sums on it. The only alternative therefore is to build them myself. This is how I got started with all that airplane building stuff to begin with. The deeper reason, however, is mankind is able to fly for a little over 120 years now. And for the past 100 years one can say that mankind uses airplanes which are relatively safe. Safe always is relative, of course, and some snowflakes need helmets when they leave the house. However, considering the short time frame in which we are able to build machines which allow us to go aloft, I personally regard it as one of the greatest cultural assets that mankind has produced in modern times. No, I don't want to compare it with music or similar achievements of mankind, such as science and other things, but culturally it is an incredible legacy. And in my opinion, the heritage must be preserved at all costs. And that's why I'm going to show you here how you can build aeroplanes by hand with materials and tools that existed at the beginning of aviation that work and are historically interesting. And then also preserve this cultural heritage through their existence. And if you are also enthusiastic and interested in all this, then I would be very happy if you would also support the Museum of Aircraft Construction and Technical History. And I would like to take this opportunity to express my special thanks to many of you who have already supported us. Thank you, because without you none of this would be possible. Aircraft construction as a cultural heritage of our time is one of the most interesting things you can imagine. It combines everything that was common in craftsmanship at the beginning of industrialization. Whether it is the Kirchner, the saddler, the joiner, the carpenter, the welder, the locksmith, the tinsmith, it doesn't matter, you name it. All these traits are represented in aircraft construction in the early years, more or less. And I always say that I'm not a master of any of these traits, but I'm at least as good as a mediocre journeyman.